Hey there! Did you know your body has its very own superhero team working 24/7 to keep you safe? Yep, I'm talking about your immune system.
Today we're diving into how it works, signs that it might need a little extra help, and easy tips, especially for seniors, to keep it strong.
Plus, I've got a simple recipe for an immune-boosting drink you can make at home. So grab a comfy seat and let's chat.
Let's imagine your body is a castle. Your immune system is the defense team protecting it from invaders like germs, the bad guys.
Think of white blood cells as your castle's superheroes. They're always on the lookout for trouble, ready to take down those bad guys.
Now, every superhero needs tools, right? That's where antibodies come in. They're like weapons that stick to germs, making it easier for the white blood cells to do their job.
And then we have lymph nodes. Think of these as watchtowers scattered across your castle. They trap germs and alert your defense team. Cool, right?
So when germs try to sneak in, whether through a cut, the air, or even food, your immune system kicks into action like a superhero squad. If they win, you stay healthy.
But what happens if your immune system is struggling? Well, here are a few signs to watch for.
Frequent infections? Are you catching colds or the flu more often than usual?
Slow healing. Do small wounds seem to take forever to heal?
Digestive issues, upset stomach, bloating, or diarrhea could mean your gut, where 70% of your immune system lives, needs some TLC.
Constant tiredness. If you're always feeling drained, it could mean your body's working overtime to fight off invaders.
Sound familiar? Don't worry, I've got some tips to help.
As we age, our immune system can slow down, kind of like an old car, but with some care we can keep it running smoothly.
1. Eat immunity-boosting foods. Stock up on fruits and veggies like oranges, berries, spinach, and broccoli. These are packed with vitamins like C and E. Probiotics in yogurt and fermented foods are great for gut health. And don't forget healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and salmon to reduce inflammation.
2. Stay active. Even a 20-minute daily walk can boost your circulation and help immune cells patrol your body better.
3. Sleep well. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep is like charging your immune system's battery. Without enough sleep, your superheroes might be too tired to fight.
4. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your system running smoothly. Even mild dehydration can slow down your immune response.
5. Manage stress. Chronic stress is like a storm over your castle. Calm it down with yoga, meditation, or even a few deep breaths.
Now for my favorite part, a quick and easy recipe for the drink that's packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Here's what you need. 1 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and the juice of half a lemon. Mix it all together and sip slowly. It's like giving your immune system a warm hug.
So, are you ready to give your immune system the love it deserves? Let me know in the comments if you're going to try that drink or if you've noticed any of the signs we talked about today.
And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips, DIY recipes, and hacks to keep you feeling your best.
Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you next video. Top 10 immune boosting foods.